Why is the Bloch sphere important for understanding qubits? Imagine trying to understand a tiny spinning globe that shows all the possible states of a quantum bit. That's exactly what the Bloch sphere does for qubits. It's a visual tool that makes the strange world of quantum mechanics easier to grasp. Unlike classical bits that are either 0 or 1, qubits can be in a mix of both at the same time. The Bloch sphere helps us see this by representing every possible pure state as a point on the surface of a sphere. The North Pole stands for the classical 0 state and the South Pole for the 1 state. But the magic is in the middle, where superpositions live, showing how a qubit can be both 0 and 1 at once. This sphere isn't just for looking at static states. It also shows how the relative phase between states works. When you rotate a point around the vertical axis, you change the phase, which is key to quantum interference. This interference is what makes quantum computers powerful, because it allows qubits to work together in ways classical bits never can. Quantum gates, which are the building blocks of quantum algorithms, are like rotations on the sphere. They change the state of a qubit by turning it around different axes. Seeing these rotations helps scientists and engineers design better quantum circuits. Another reason the Bloch sphere is so helpful is that it simplifies the math behind qubits. Instead of dealing with for real numbers that describe a qubit state, you only need to angles on the sphere. This makes it easier to visualize what's happening during quantum operations. For students and researchers, this geometric picture turns complex equations into something more intuitive. It's like turning a complicated map into a simple diagram that shows all the routes you can take. In quantum information theory, understanding how qubits change and interact is essential. The Bloch sphere provides a clear picture of these changes, making it easier to see how superpositions and entanglement work. It bridges the gap between abstract quantum concepts and everyday understanding. Whether you're debugging a quantum algorithm or learning the basics of quantum mechanics, the Bloch sphere is a fundamental tool. It turns the mysterious behavior of qubits into a visual story that anyone can follow. That's why it's so important for understanding the core ideas behind quantum technology.